inside, up, side, down. Stand it, attention. Stand it, attention. Everyone get it from this hand. Start. Hands cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands strong. Stand it. Attention. Everyone get in place. Hands forward. Inside. Hands out. Up. Inside. Hands down. Attention. Attention.
Attention. Attention.
I like to call these speakers to deliver this.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. It's me Sorima Maharjan from grade 10, standing in front of you to deliver a editorial on the topic Government begins talk with Durga Prasad's Group 27 point demand including abolition of the constitution, restoration of monarchy and banking reforms. The government has begun talk with Durga Prasadi's citizens and government protection campaign after the group announced a nationwide protest from November 23rd. The group first round of talk held at the Ministry of Home Affairs focused on the campaign's 27-point demand, including abolition of constitution, restoration of monarchy, and reforms in the banking sector. The talks come as the government led by the Prime Minister Susila Karki formed to hold snap parliamentaries election after the Ganges protection in September, seeks to engage with various groups that could impose a threat to the election process. Prasaris is a self-proclaimed monarchist who was previously associated with the CPM and later to the CPM UML. Thank you.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to a dear respected Vice Principal Sir, Coordinator Sir, present teachers and my friends. As you all know, it's me Zain Lama from grade 9. I'm standing here in front of you all to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of routes. Before starting my topic, I'd like to thank our Coordinator Sir for inviting me on the stage. It is really an honor to be on the stage and giving the speech. Now, without wasting your time, I'd like to start. The Rautis is an indigenous group in the Nepali community. They are the only last surviving nomadic cultural people. It is estimated there are around 180 Rautis or 52 families of Rautis. They specialize in woodcraft and surviving from the jungle. The Rautis are divided into three types: Kolyal, Samal, and Raskoti. Only the Mukhia or the leader of the tribe can speak to other outsiders and tell them about their lifestyles and how they survive. The roles of the Rautis are divided into two: the male and female. The males have the role to go hunting for monkeys, make wooden utensils, or collect and trade goods. The females have a more prominent role, that is to stay at their settlement and do household chores, or they also go out to collect medicinal herbs, vegetables, and firewood. They also have the job to rear their child. The children below the age of 8 or underage are generally not allowed to go anywhere far from their settlement. They are requested to stay with their elders. The Rautis have a culture of temporary settlement. They do not stay in a place permanently. Their current settlement is in the Karnali province. The Rautis are also part of the Hindu community. They also celebrate festivals like Maghe Sankranti, Dasai Tihar, and Chaite Dasai. They celebrate these festivals together with the community, drinking ale, eating food, and celebrating dancing, singing. They do not like to talk to outsiders. At last, I would like to say that this nomadic group should be preserved by our nation. This will show our history of Nepal. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Namaskar and very warm good morning morning to all respected vice principal sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a short and sweet speech on the topic of agriculture in Nepal.
Keep the mic near the mouth.
Agriculture in Nepal of the backbones of the Nepal economics employ the majority of population. Agriculture is the backbone of development of Nepal. Majority of peoples are depend on agriculture. More than 90% people are depends on agriculture. Nepal has less area for cultivation, but some of the valley which are used for cultivation. At conclusion, the national economic of the varieties of food security implement function is based on industry of Nepal. Thank you.
Namaskar and very good morning to all respected principals,
You got your friends from?
vice principals, sir, teachers, brothers, sisters, and my dear friend. As you all know, it's me, Ronnie
Mask,
Mahal
mask,
from
get the mask.
class 5, studying in front of you. Short and sweet speech on the topic of importance of reading. Reading is the basic part of our brain. When we read, we know everything. Reading makes successful to our life. Read makes anything just like pilot, uh, doctor, teacher. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.
Hands Gaurav. Inside. Hands up. Up.
Sit down.
Side. Up. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. Okay, I'd like to welcome on this stage our respected vice principal sir for providing some information.
Thank you very much, Kodri sir. Camera. And side. Hands up. Please stretch your hands. Hands side. Hands down. Class for boys, are you active and attentive or not? Vinay Dangal. Be active. Stand at it. Awesome, Sreshta. Follow the commander. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands up. And side. Hands down. Stand at it. Okay. So today we have got a birthday girl from grade 4. Let's welcome her on the stage. Rita Nepali. Okay,
Please come this side and light the candle.
facing towards east side, okay? Yeah. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu, Mangalam Garuda Dhwaja, Mangalam Pundari Kaksha, Mangalaya Stanu Hari. Subhatav Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. Jaya 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 Kava Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam, Siddha Sadhanam. Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam, Chira Jivanam. Subhatav Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam, Sarva Mangalam. On this special occasion, entire Anupam family wishes Miss Rita Nepali from grade 4 a happy, healthy and prosperous birthday. Let her have a long life like those of Asta Chiranjeevis, and let her wishes be fulfilled according to her hard labor and effort. Let's wish her in Western pattern. Don't forget to clap together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Rita. Happy birthday to you. Great. We are very happy to celebrate birthday of our gems, Anupamians. She is in grade 4 in this academic session 2082. Today is 27th of Kartik, Thursday 2082. Now it's the time to hear the lovely speech from birthday girl, Rita Nepali.
Namaskar everyone. Good morning to you all. As you all listening to Nepali from class 4, standing in front of you to do a short and sweet speech on the topic of my birthday. Today is my birthday. I am so excited and so happy because today is my birthday. Thank you everyone.
Thank you very much. So we are here to make you happy from different activities. So I would like to request the class teachers to check the smartness of the students. This hygiene checking, smartness checking is a regular process. We will do every day. That's why they have to be up to date and come to school.